Hola Amigos, welcome to Insights. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. If you've already been here and haven't yet subscribed, please do it right away and don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified whenever we come up with more such insightful videos.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own DIY detan body and face cleanser, scrub and a face mask. So let's get started. To make the cleanser, you will need raw milk, honey and lavender essential oil. Raw milk helps to remove dirt from clogged pores, detan and lighten skin tone. Honey helps to even out skin tone and moisturizes the skin. While on the other hand, lavender essential oil reduces discoloration, adds moisture and cleans the surface of the skin. It's also used to add fragrance. Mix all these ingredients together and you have your cleanser ready. Cleansers help remove makeup, oil, dirt and other pollutants from the skin. Moving on, to make your scrub, you will need coffee, sugar and coconut oil. Coffee enhances blood circulation, makes skin smooth and bright. Sugar contains glycolic acid, which makes skin look healthier, removes dead skin cells, and keeps your skin supple. Coconut oil helps retain hydration, lightens dark patches, and increases collagen production. Mix together these ingredients and you have your scrub ready. Scrubs help remove dead skin cells and make way for new ones. It makes your skin feel youthful, soft and glowing. The measurements of each ingredient is listed down in the description box below. Moving on, to make your face mask, you will need gram flour, turmeric, curd, honey, lemon juice and rose water. Gram flour helps detan, absorb excess oil from the skin and is a gentle exfoliator that helps scrub away dead skin cells and adds a glow. Turmeric helps calm any inflammation, stimulate circulation, protect against sun damage and lighten the skin. Curd is full of good bacteria that helps skin glow, improve complexion, calm the skin and absorb excess oil. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C. It helps detoxify, lighten skin and dark spots, and increases collagen production. Honey unclogs pores while leaving the skin soft and supple. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties which reduces skin redness, protects skin cells from damage, and helps maintain skin's pH balance. Mix together these ingredients and you have your face mask ready. Face masks help in a lot of ways. They are used to relax, unclog pores, deep cleanse, fight against anti-aging, remove dullness, add in hydration, detan and a lot more. Do not expect immediate results. Follow the skincare routine at least once a week until you notice visible results.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, do let me know in the comment section below. I'd appreciate any feedbacks and inputs and I'll try my best to use them in my upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Wassalama.